This is Leiyueh 5.8 MLS Light male connector installing instruction. Please prepare female connector kits BKFN, which include male connector, 5-point screw, 5-point wrench, waterproof gasket, pin guide plates, waterproof cap, 5.8 light strip. Step 1. Follow cutting mark to cut the strip and insert the strip into the waterproof cap. Step 2. Insert the pin guide plates into the waterproof cap and make sure pin and holes are on the same direction. And insert the pin guide plates through the waterproof cap to connect with the light strip. And please make sure guide plates flat with the edge of the cap. Step 3. Insert another waterproof gasket on the other side of the plate to strengthen waterproof ability. Step 4. Partly secure 5-point screw into the male connector, which makes next step light strip connecting easier, as is shown. Step 5. Please make sure cap edge completely insert to the male connector and avoid any unbalanced extrusion. You can see the correct sample on the left and the incorrect sample on the right. Step 6. Secure both sides of the screw and avoid the screw over squeeze, causing LED chip damage. Screw installation complete. And finally, firmly connect the light strip to the power cord. Install completed of 5.8 male connector, and please see the end cap waterproof strengthened instructions. End cap install when the condition has no extension required. Step 1. Please prepare neutral glue or silicone and squeeze on by tools or hands. Step 2. Thinly glue more than 1/3 of the end cap. Step 3. Level the edge and remove the excessive glue from the end cap by hands or tool. Install completed. Thanks for your watching.